In this video, I'll show you how to control your music and take calls using your AirPods 4. This works with the regular version and the one with active noise cancellation. It's the same thing, so let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you is how to play and pause your audio. Could be a movie or a music, anything really. What you need to do is, and you can do this on either on the left one or the right one, that doesn't matter really. You just need to pinch, okay, imagine this is in your ear, this is very important. You just need to pinch once to play and pinch once to pause or resume the playback. It's just a quick one like that. You don't need to keep press with your fingers. If you want to play the next track, you need to double press. It's like a double click, fast. 1, 2. By doing this, you simply go to the next one. If you're on Spotify or if you're listening music on Apple Music, whatever, it will go to the next one. If you want to go on the previous track, you need to press 3 times, fast. 1, 2, 3. And this will bring you to the previous track. If, let's say, you're wearing them in your ears and somebody is calling you, and you want to answer, right? You just need to press once you hear the phone call in them, and it will automatically answer and you'll be able to speak up to that person. Once you're done speaking with that person, you just need to press once and the call will hang out. If you have the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation and you want to activate that noise cancellation or to switch between noise cancellation, transparency, and adaptive audio, what you need to do is to keep press on the stem for about a second, and you're going to hear it in your ears, a small chime telling you that it switched from one of these options to the next one. So it's a longer press, it's not a small one. You keep it pressed until you hear the chime, then you release and you switch between these 3 modes. And now one of the new thing with these AirPods 4 is that you can also perform some stuff using your head. So you don't have even to touch them to control them. So if, let's say, you want to accept a call or maybe reply to a notification or message, you can, once you hear it and once you hear the notification in your ears, you can nod your head up and down, and the AirPods will actually notice this and you'll be able to accept that call or reply. If you want to decline a call, you just need to shake your head side by side, you know, like somebody saying no. And this will decline the call or dismiss the notification or message you're hearing in your ears. If, by the way, this function doesn't work, don't worry. Maybe it's turned off on your AirPods. You simply need to go on your phone, let's say, over here. If you go into the settings, over here are my AirPods, I click on them, I go down. And over here you're going to see head gesture. If you click on it, you'll be able to turn this on and off. Maybe you don't like that. And you'll also be able to change what your head movement should be for each of these options. If you're unsure how this is working, you can select try head gestures and they will guide you on and help you master this very cool feature that these AirPods 4 are able to do. So this is it. This is about it. These are all the features and controls that you can do with your AirPods 4. If you want to support my channel, check my Amazon affiliate links if this was helpful to you. If not, just leave a like, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.